खामोशी की कहानी, तालियों की गूंज, हर एक कदम पे निशानी, जीवन का हर पल रंगीन हो जाए, उनके नृत्य से दिलों को छू जाए।
In the heart of dance floor, there is a tale waiting to be told, a tale of energetic echoes. Imagine a group of boys, each step echoing with a raw energy and enthusiasm. As the music began, the synchronized movement and powerful choreography wave a captivating narrative. With every beat, they depict passion and dedication, leaving the audience spellbound in a wind of skill and motion.
बॉयज ने तो तहलका मचा दिया. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, कमिंग टुवर्ड द लास्ट परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ दिस इवनिंग, लेट्स एंजॉय बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स डांस.
गति सी भरी नृत्य की लहर, धुनों में खोया रंगों का शहर, हर ताल पर है जादू छाया, ग्रूव गलोर में मनोरंजक नृत्य समाया.
Welcome to the Groove Galore dance, where rhythm meets movement in symphony of step and beat. Dive into our vibrant world of dance, where every sway, spin and shuffle is a celebration of music and motion.
कमी न देखा चालने जिधर हो के जीत किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली आखा तेरी बात ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात खाली में का लोरा लेगा आलू भात पूरी बात मेरे भी जो किसी ने भी ठीक किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह
I kindly invite convener Professor Ronak Patel sir and co-convener Dr. Dinesh Shah sir to grace us with their presence and insights. Your
So friends, how was the performance? Enjoy. Good. Now, તમે થોડું નોટિસ કર્યું હશે કે એન્કરે શરૂઆતમાં કીધું હતું કે એન્યુઅલ ફંક્શનનું સ્ટુડન્ટ્સનું એન્યુઅલ ફંક્શન એ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ માટે કેટલું મહત્ત્વનું છે અને એનો આન્સર પણ હતો. યસ લબ્ધી व्हाट वाज योर आंसर? एनुअल फंक्शन का इम्पोर्टेंस स्टूडेंट्स लाइफ में क्या है? व्हाट वाज योर आंसर?
to learn new things, to create new things, and combining our creative skills with these performances.
So, annual day, what she said, कि exhibit the talent, maybe joy, fun, but I take in the another way, and that is nothing but I consider as electromagnetic effect. What is that electromagnetic effect is? You might be noticed somewhere they have used the electrifying performance, somewhere they have used the magnetic performance. What it is? The magnetic performance or magnet is produced in a such a way that current is passed in the metal. So particles which are not random, particles which are randomly oriented, જે છૂટા છૂટા છોકરાઓ વિખેરાલા છે એ કરંટ એક પસાર થાય છે અને એ કરંટથી એક કોહેઝિવનેસ પ્રોડ્યુસ થાય છે and that cohesiveness is nothing but magnetic performance, or you can say that creates the magnet, and that means that the students which you have performed nothing but the electromagnetic effect, and final result you might have noticed. Thank you.
Hello. So good evening everybody. I think you have enjoyed the show, and from my side I think the students have performed very well. This is a new learning for the upcoming students also, and I am here to give vote of thanks to this festival and to everybody sitting over here. Respected Chairman sir, Vice Chairman sir, Board of Trustees, esteemed guest of honor, principal sir, faculties, parents, alumni, and my dear students. To be appointed as the convener of Zestopus 2024 is a matter of great pride and honor, and I thank you all for cooperation and support. Architecture as a field goes beyond just the physical aspects and into the intangible realm where one is beyond the limitation of our senses and going on a journey of self-discovery and introspection. In this process, the human mind can twist the reality, resulting in a rapt reflection. This is surrealism, our underlying concept of the theme Atindriya. As Zestopus 2024 is drawing to an end, I would like to recollect the multitude of challenges we come across. Right from the beginning, besides the dates, keeping up with the SPRY committee, the principal and the management, finalizing the theme, coordinating schedules, appointing heads, balancing this work with the academic curriculum and sports week. Looking after budgets, to name a few, I am deeply grateful to the chairman sir, vice chairman sir, board of trustees, principal sir, teaching and non-teaching staff, as well as the convener, Dr. Dinesh Shah, for always having my back. I also thank the esteemed guest of honor for gracing us with his presence and encouraging the students. I also acknowledge the efforts of the parents in making this fest a success. Such a large-scale event can only happen when students give their 100%. Therefore, I thank the student and the SPRY committee. Your boundless energy and love makes my work easier and lighter. I would like to add on that this is the first time in the history of SVIT that the committee is led by all three girls who would be remembered as C team. A big round applause for all the 10. I would like to conclude by quoting Nelson Mandela, a winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Congratulations to all winners out here. Thank you.
All the faculty members, please come on the stage for.
Now I would like to invite our hard-working SPRY core committee, the backbone for the SHE team on the stage. President Tanvi Thakkar, Secretary Shravani Kulkarni, Treasurer Tulsi Patel. A big round of applause for the SHE team.
Paresh Kulkarni, Secretary SPRY Committee, would extend a heartfelt gratitude on behalf of the entire SPRY Committee, College of Architecture, SVIT Vasar. SPRY Committee is a students' body council that coordinates both curricular and non-curricular activities enthusiastically. The heart of the committee lies in its annual festival. There are numerous hands working on the success of Atendriya. I would like to express my gratitude for the active participation, encouragement and cooperation from SVIT management, our guiding light chairman Shri Ronak Patel sir, vice chairman Hardik Patel sir. This wouldn't have been possible without their support. I am grateful for our principal Professor Pragnesh Shah sir for advising us on the grounds on the basis of his experience. The festival holds and satisfy the key vision laid down by our festival convener Ronak Patel sir and Dinesh Shah sir for their constant support and undivided attention. I am thankful to all the faculty members for their tremendous efforts for being with us at every footstep. They are the lighthouse who anchored our boat in a right direction. I would like to mention and thank all the admin staff for their kind cooperation. I would also like to acknowledge all the parents for your support and deliberation provided by you all throughout the festive preparations. I would thank all the students for their stepping out of their comfort zone and making this event a grand success. I would also like to acknowledge all the alumni present here. Thank you for your support and keep supporting us. Here, I would like to conclude with a saying, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, working together is a success. Thank you all for your support.
Tulsi Patel, Treasurer SPRY Committee, would like to express heartfelt gratitude. We are truly honored to have the support of our incredible sponsors who play a pivotal role in making this event possible. This commitment and generosity reflect a shared dedication to our mission and we are grateful for the collaborative spirit that drives us forward. Please join me in extending a welcome and appreciation to our sponsors for their invaluable contribution. V9 Home Decors, Ambika Travelers, Footprints, RKS Corrosion and Control Private Limited, Isha Computers, Amam, Green MDF, Sajanan Sawmill, Lakshmi Wooden Art, Blue Light Stationery, Hypersoft, Studio 926, Curves Ply and Veneer. We are proudly grateful for your partnership and looking forward to continue this journey together in the year to come. Now I would like to thank the sponsorship team who made this possible. Harsh Jogi, Tanvi Thakkar, Dhruvang Prajapati, Vedanshi Bhatt, Hem Shah, Awadh Patel, Kathit Mistry, Yusuf Rani, Vikas Verma, Krishna Shah, Amir Talati, Param Trivedi, Shravani Kulkarni. And thank you once again for your invaluable support. And I would also like to thank you, my two ladies over here. Thank you.
As our annual fest, Zestopus, draws to a close, I am filled with immense gratitude for the vibrant display of diversity and talent we have witnessed throughout this journey. Thank you all who contributed this unforgettable evening. And let's continue to foster understanding and harmony in everything we do. I am Jai Shittalati.
I, Jai Banjuli.
I, Yusuf Rani.
I, Labdi Modi.
We sign off as master of this ceremony, Zestopus 2024, Atindriya.
members, please come on stage to have group photo, please. બધા ફેકલ્ટી મેમ્બરને રિક્વેસ્ટ કરું કે સ્ટેજ પર આવે અને આપણા સ્પ્રાય કમિટી સાથે ગ્રુપ ફોટો કરતે પ્લીઝ. All the faculty members, supporting staff as well as administrative staff also. Supporting staff and administrative staff, please come on the stage. Supporting staff and administrative staff, please. Hitesh bhai, request करो हितेश भाई, પછી ફોન કરજો પ્લીઝ આવી જાઓ. અંકિત ભાઈ, હિતેશ ભાઈ આવી જાઓ. મેહુલ ભાઈ, please come on stage to have group photo. Please wait 5 minutes. हमने रिक्वेस्ट है कि 5 मिनट ऊपर रहो. I am requesting you, please wait for 5 minutes. We'll have national anthem and then we will discuss. We'll have national anthem after this photography, then we will discuss. So please keep questions for 5 minutes only.